In this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Telegram application on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Telegram application and then get into settings. Now here, as you see, there are no logout option here, and now all you have to do is just hit here at edit, and logout option now has been appeared, and you can hit on it and there hit at logout again. And here it says that this action will cancel all your secret chats, and you can use Telegram on all your devices at once and use several accounts in the same application. And here, to log out from the Telegram app, just hit at OK, and as you see, I have just been logged out. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.